गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति। ओम श्री हयग्रीव विश्वोत्पन्न स्वरूपाय चिन्मयानंद रूपिणी तुभ्यं नमो हयग्रीव नमः। वल्लभं गजाननं एकदन्तं बहुकंसीन केयर सेंटर मूव ऑन लीचिडवै।
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very talented. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and teach everyone with courtesy to my country and to my people. I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone is my happiness.
Thought for the day. You may delay but time will not. I repeat once again. You may delay but time will not.
ಸುಭಾಷಿತ ಲೇಖನಿ ಖಡ್ಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹರಿತ.
GK questions. Who is the first ruler of Delhi? Correct answer is Razia Sultan. Who is the written by Shakuntala? Correct answer is Kalidasa. Who is the first chief minister of Karnataka? Correct answer is K. Changalaraya Reddy. Thank you.
Emergency helpline numbers 100 police 101 fire engine 102 ambulance 108 medical helpline 181 women's helpline 112 children's helpline 15100 free education helpline. Thank you.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Nagaland, Kohima. Thank you.